we're gonna be installing this unit from ISEE Hair. It is a pre-bleached, pre-plucked unit. I didn't do any plucking to this unit. I did bleach it for like 10 minutes just because I like my lace to be like extra bleached. It's just a personal preference thing, but I could have left it alone. Like, I could have left it alone, but I like to do the most. But I just went ahead and used this Ruby Kisses foundation. I am going to be putting some more, but I just put a little bit to start, and I literally just put this straight on my head. I have a ball cap underneath, and it's about right here. I didn't glue it down or anything. I just put it on. This is going to be completely glueless, but we're going to make it look super natural. So the first step that I want to go ahead and knock out is just taming the part down. So we're going to be using some edge fixer. I'm also going to be going in with my Sebastian shaper spray, and we're just going to alternate between those two and hot comb this all the way down. To crisp the part up, we're just going to be using some concealer and some tintation spray.
That I make me waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real and baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you die, I know the truth. I need to remind you. Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more.
Y'all, so on this side, but we're gonna be focusing on the baby hairs now. I left my natural baby hairs out on my sideburns and up here. So what I'm gonna do is just kind of use this comb. Let me get the smaller comb. I'm gonna use this edge comb and just pull out.
Waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real and baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you die, I know the truth. I need to remind you. Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more.
So I went ahead and did the same thing on the other side. So we're nice and melted down. We have a flat base to work with, and I'm gonna go ahead and blow the hair out. Now I let this air dry, and so it is kind of wavy. So I'm gonna be spraying it with some Chi Iron Guard and some Chi Silk Infusion. I'm going to put in the hair. Actually, I forget the brand, but I'm gonna put it up on the screen, and it's like a sleek mist. I just put it in this tiny little bottle. I'm gonna spray a little bit of this in while I use this handheld blow dryer. It has like a brush attachment on it, so I'm just gonna brush the hair until it's semi-straight. I like to do this just because when I straighten hair, it gets straighter when you have a good blow dry. So when it air dries, it is fully dry. I just like to go with the blow dryer and get it a little bit straighter. I'm gonna be using my Babyless flat iron. So yeah, I'm gonna use those two products, blow the hair out, and then we're gonna just silk press.
That I make you waste my time. Don't go blowing up my life. It's ain't real, then baby, I'm cool. Seen it one too many times. I know how to read the signs. So if you die, I know the truth. I need to remind you. Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more if I'm willing to give you all of me. I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not on you. You say I didn't want you now. Can you give me loving that me? Now baby, don't go playing with my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love. So far away, they'll never find my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love. So tell me how you feel inside. I can see it in your eyes. If you're unsure, then what we gon' do? What we gon' do? All we gotta do is try. People place it's a sacrifice. It ain't only about you. I need to remind you. Nobody comes before you. There's no way that you need more. I'm willing to give you all of me. I don't wanna stay somewhere that I'm not wanting you. You say I didn't want you now. Can you be the love that I need? Now baby, don't go playing with my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love. Search far and wide, you'll never find my love and don't make me regret falling in love. Falling in love. Falling in love. That I make you waste my time.
All right, you guys, this is the completed look. This is what we came up with. I clipped the ends, given very much blunt and full from root to tip. This was a super easy install. It comes out the pack ready to go. The fact that it was already pre-bleached and also really small, and it was pre-plucked, it was super easy. I did not pluck this wig at all, y'all. I didn't have to do any plucking. Like I said before, I went in and lightly bleached the knots just a little bit more for like 10 minutes, but it wasn't really necessary. I could have gone without it. But y'all, this is super bomb. It's super easy to put on. It's completely glueless. As you guys can see, I don't have any adhesive on there. I don't have any spray, nothing. And it looks really, really, really good. So guys, if you want to get this same unit, go ahead and check out ISEE Hair. Thank you, ISEE Hair, for sponsoring this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.